Introducing Swann's heat and motion sensing spotlight outdoor security camera. It's Wi-Fi surveillance featuring stunning 1080p Full HD video in a compact, sturdy design made for outdoor surveillance. It's the perfect solution for homes and businesses looking for smart, discreet, affordable surveillance. You'll enjoy peace of mind wherever you are 24/7 with the Spotlight outdoor security camera installed. It integrates seamlessly with your Wi-Fi network. Just plug it into an electrical outlet, join your Wi-Fi network, and then pair it with the Swann Security app. Swann's True Detect technology senses the heat and movement of objects, such as people, cars, and large animals for reliable video recording and push notifications. The cameras can turn on the lights when heat is detected, and the lights are bright enough to provide color video at night, allowing you to see the color of clothes, cars, and more for enhanced visual evidence up to 65 feet or 20 meters. Witness every detail 24/7 with 1080p full high-definition video and a wide 110-degree viewing angle. Lights and siren can be activated by motion detection or manually. For example, when you see someone suspicious loitering around your property, talk back to kids, tradespeople, and even pets using the built-in microphone and speaker, or sound the siren to scare off intruders. The sturdy construction is tough enough for the outdoors with an IP66 weatherproof rating. Store videos up to 7 rolling days of footage in the cloud for free, plus local memory offline backup with no hidden fees. You can also add additional security services, such as longer cloud recording, smart alerts, extended warranty, and more by subscription. Use voice commands via Alexa and the Google Assistant to see what's happening at home.
Alexa, show me the front door.
You can also speak to see what's happening via the Google Assistant.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Combine the Spotlight outdoor security camera with other Swann products, such as Wi-Fi cameras, video doorbells, and fully wired DVR and NVR security systems, and conveniently monitor them all via the Swann Security app. Swann's cutting-edge heat and motion sensing Spotlight outdoor security camera. It's worry-free home security from Swann.